audible to all? Okay, we shall wait for 1 and 2 minutes. After that, we will start our class. In last day, we are going for the homomorphism, and today we are going to give you some theorem and isomorphism. So we are just waiting for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. Okay, we are starting our class. So for today, some theorem will be given to you people. That is theorem 1. Just a minute. Theorem 1. It is given that let if such that g to g dash be a homomorphism.
Your voice is not audible.
Why is not audible? So wait for 1 minute. Now is it audible? Now am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start our class. So here we have theorem 1 is taking that let if such that g to g dash be a homomorphism, then if it is homomorphism, then number 1, f of e means the identity element of g is equal to e dash, where e and e dash are e and e dash are identity elements of G and G dash. Number 2, f of A inverse. F of A inverse is equal to f of A whole inverse for all A belongs to G. Number 3, order of f of A, order of f of A is a divisor of order of A. When order of A is finite. Order means the number of the element in the set for all A belongs to G. And lastly, number 4, the homomorphic image f of G is a subgroup of G. So these are the points. When here F such that G to G dash be a homomorphism. When it is homomorphism, what is the definition of homomorphism? Definition was if G star, if we take that G comma star and G dash comma this, both are the group, if there is a mapping is such that G to G dash, this is exists. G to G dash exists such that f of, which implies that f of A star B is equal to f of A composition f of B for all AB belongs to G. It was the definition of our homomorphism. Here G star is a group and G dash operation, this is also group. But here is a mapping. Actually mapping, homomorphic mapping is like that. If we say that this is the G and here it is the G dash, then this is the F. F is the homomorphism. Here G is the set and the algebraic structure is G star, and here the algebraic structure is G comma composition. This F, G to G dash. So both are the group, G star and G dash composition, both are the group. If there is a function exists such that which is making from F to G, G to G dash, where if we take any two elements from G, then making the composition of this, then it will be coming into here F of A composition F of B. Like that, if here is the A and here is the B. Now here we got that F of A and here we got that F of B. Now composition with respect to this is equal to composition with respect to this. They are equal. The given function is such that they are equal. We can write down they are equal. Then we can say that F is the homomorphism from G to G dash. So here, as the G star is a, here G star is a group. So here identity element this, and G dash of composition, that is also group. we are taking that identity like E dash. Now look at here. Number 1, f of E equal to E dash. F of E equal to E dash. So if we take that here, the E, then E actually map with this. Here is the E dash. E dash means actually f of A, sorry, that is the E dash. So from here we can say that f of E equal to E dash if there f is homomorphism. If is homomorphism, then the identity element of the domain group of set of the domain group is mapped into the identity element of the set of the range set. That is f of E equal to E dash. Now inverse of any element is equal to inverse of that element. F of A inverse equal to FA whole inverse. Now order of FA. Order of FA means how many elements are there. Is a divisor of order of A. If it is the finite, otherwise it is not. The homomorphic image f of G is a subgroup of G. Homomorphic image, it is coming into the G dash. If we take homomorphic image, that means all the homomorphic image, if we take that S is the homomorphic image, then all the point f of A, f of B, like dot dot dot, that is also a subgroup of G, right? This S is a subgroup of G. That means it is clear cut. S is an improper subset of G. Then we can find out that it is a subset of G. So for the homomorphism, these 4 properties are coming. So from here, maybe some short question is coming. Now, next important thing is kernel of homomorphism. Kernel of homomorphism is very, very important. So we have to go for that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can you repeat 4th point?
What?
Sir, I'm confused. Can you repeat?
Actually, I can't got it. Please say it again.
Sir, I don't understand 4th point, sir.
Just a minute. There is any question, any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
4th point repeat kar.
Point 4.
Yes, sir.
That is homomorphic image f of G. Of G is a subgroup of G. Homomorphic image means here this is the domain set, or we can say that it is the pre-image set. Pre-image set, and this is called the image set. Right. So there here are the all the pre-images, and here all are the images. So image of A equal to f of A. Image of B equal to f of B. So all that f of A, f of B, these are the images. If we take for some element A, image of A equal to f of A, image of B equal to f of B. That is said here, the homomorphic image f of G. That means all element of G, if we take the homomorphic image, that is f of A, f of B, dot, 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 we are taking a set as S. S is equal to all the homomorphic image of the element of G into the G dash of G is a subgroup of G. Then this is a subgroup. Actually, if G star is a group, then they have said that S star will be a subgroup of G. It was the 4th point. G star is a group, then with respect to the same composition, S also make a group which is lesser than G. That means S is a subset of G. That is written here. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going for the kernel of homomorphism. kernel of homomorphism. This is very, very important. Let G composition and G star, G dash star be two groups. They are the two groups, and F is a function such that G to G dash be a homomorphism. This is a homomorphism. Then the kernel of F. Kernel of F is a subset of those elements of G which are mapped on the identity element E dash in G dash and is denoted by car F, capital K-E-R, car F. Thus, car F is equal to X belongs to G, such that F of X is equal to E dash. The definition is understood by everybody. So kernel of homomorphism is a set. It is nothing but a set, which is a subset of G obviously. So in this set, which elements will be coming here? Those on the G mapped into the G dash in the element of E dash. Is it clear? This definition is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम्पल दीजिए.
So let us go to introduce here. Look at here, it is the G. And here we are taking the G dash. So here G dash star, it is a group. So it has some identity element. Let that E dash is the identity element of this. And here G composition is a group. So there is also some identity element. Let us say that all the element, that is the Xi, here X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, here some elements are there, right? So here some of the element, let us consider that this is mapped into this E dash. This is the element X1. Again the element X3. This is also mapped into here. Here the X8. This also mapped into the E dash. Right? So we can write down here F of X1 equal to E dash F of X3. That is also E dash F of X8 that is also E dash. So if we take a set S is equal to some elements, that is x1, x3, x8. Now this S is a subset of G. Na? In G there are so many elements with these elements. So S is a subset of G, isn't it?
Yes.
Then this set S, this is called the kernel of homomorphism. Now it is clear. Those elements which are mapped into the identity element of G dash, we are collecting them and making a set. That set is called kernel of homomorphism. So kernel of homomorphism, nothing but a set. Is it clear now?
Yes. Sir.
Actually, this is the abstract algebra. We have to take all those things into the abstract way. So it is too much difficult without not giving this kind of the picture. You cannot understood this from the definition, isn't it? From the definition, it was not totally clear. When this picture will be coming into you, then you can understood that yes, this is the matter. Now yet if someone has any hesitation or any doubt, then they can say me. So this is the Karif. For this one actually, we can say that this is the Karif, kernel of homomorphism. Now it is clear to everybody. ये समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going for isomorphism. Let G operation and G dash star be two groups. Both are two groups, and if such that G2 G dash be a homomorphism. Then F is said to be, then F is said to be an isomorphism if F is 1 1 and on 2. Previous day we have learned something, that is homomorphism plus 1 1. Then it was called what? Homomorphism plus 1 1. That means monomorphism. Now homomorphism plus on 2. Then it is called epimorphism, na? homomorphism plus into, then it is endomorphism. Now, homomorphism plus 1 plus 1 2, then it is isomorphism. Is it clear? Definition of isomorphism. Hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, another thing is homomorphism plus 1 plus 1 2 plus another property is G equal to G dash. Then it is called that automorphism. So there are 6 morphism in our group. Number 1, homomorphism, then monomorphism, then epimorphism, then endomorphism, then isomorphism, and lastly automorphism. So in case of automorphism, we can say that isomorphism plus G equal to G dash. Then it is the automorphism. Isn't it? So shortly we can remember this one, and only we have to remember the definition of homomorphism. Then we can automatically got that homomorphism, monomorphism, epimorphism, endomorphism, isomorphism, automorphism. All those morphism will be covered. Is it clear? So all those morphism, it is depend upon 2 groups. They are both at the group G operation and G star. G operation and G dash star. Both at the group. And it is nothing but a mapping. This morphism, nothing but a mapping, which is coming from G to G dash. G operation and G dash star both at the group. Right? So it was our morphism of group. I think from this morphism, if any question is coming, that is like that. What is the homomorphism, monomorphism, epimorphism, and some sort of question may be coming from here: endomorphism, isomorphism, automorphism. Right? And that is Hamming code, Hamming distance. It is already done by you people, na? In your computer science. Do you have any idea about this? Hamming code, Hamming distance.
No, sir.
Why not? It is already over in your syllabus, na? Computer, you are the computer science people are there. So this Hamming code, Hamming distance. Actually, it is not in our syllabus. Actually, of the syllabus I have talking with you, this part is not in our syllabus. But yet you have to remember this. From this morphism of group, it is coming. So lastly, we are going for the permutation group. Then this group part is over. Okay, we are going to start the permutation group. So we are going to start the permutation group. Let A be a finite set is be a finite set having in distinct elements. Then and one mapping. Then one mapping of S onto itself. Onto itself is called permutations on S, permutation on S of degree n. Take an example. Let S equal to, we are taking that A1, A2 dot dot n, A1, A2 dot 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 n. S equal to this, be a finite set having in distinct elements. And if such that onto itself, that means S to S be a bijective mapping. Bijective mapping means it is 1, 1 and on 2. That is injective plus surjective. Defined by f of ai is equal to bi for I equal to 1, 2 dot 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 n. Then the permutation is permutation f can be written as f equal to within first bracket a1 a2 dot 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 n, and corresponding here it is f of a1 f of a2 dot 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 f of n. This, or otherwise we can write down f of ai equal to bi, that is a1 a2 dot dot n, that can be written b1 b2 dot dot dot. So this is called the permutation. Here this a1 a2 a, these are the some arrangement only. That's why it is called the permutation. If we take one example of numeric, if we say that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A finite set we are taking, then if 1 equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4. If 2 equal to 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2. What does it mean? If we take a mapping F1 such that S2 S, then this 1 map into 2, 2 map into 3, 3 map into 1, 4 map into 4. For F2, 1 map into 3, 2 map into 1, 3 map into 4. 4 map into 2. Is it clear? The picture of this. If we take that, there is also S and this is also S. So here, if we take that, this one is the 1, then it will be map into here 2. 1 map into 2. This 2 map into 3. Here 3 map into 1. And here if we take that, it is 4. This 4 map into 4. This is the meaning of F1. Likely we can write down that F2. Now it is clear what is the permutation. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Here. Permutation is also nothing but a mapping. Two permutations are said to be equal. Equal. Now we are going for equality of two permutations. We are taking one permutation F1 is such that ACBA, ACBA, CB, and another permutation F2. F2 equal to BA, AC, CB. Look at here in this permutation, A map into C, B map into A, C map into B. Here B map into A, here also B map into A. Here A map into C, here also A map into C. Here C map into B, here C map into B. So we can say that these two permutations are equal. Both are the permutation of degree 3. And lastly, identity permutation. We are taking one if 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. If we take that, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and one permutation is here, 1 map to 1, 2 map to 2, 3 map to 3, then it is called the identity permutation. Clear? So these are the permutations. So next day we are going for the permutation group. Then our total group theorem is completed. Okay. Am I audible to all? So next day
Yes,
we are
sir.
going for the permutation group. Then it will be over for our all those kind of the group which may be occurred. And I can surely say that any kind of the problem of group you can solve. Because of that, both any kind of the group is coming from either this one. And you have to